Founded in 1995, STEP was listed on the Shenzhen Stock Exchange in 2010. STEP Robotics Super Factory has established an intelligent storage system, realizing the interconnection of WMS system with MES system and AGV system. The precise 3-coordinate detection ensures the accuracy of the robot products, with visualized display board design to monitor the production dynamics in real time. STEP's small payload robot flexible intelligent manufacturing line can realize robot manufacturing robot and make a big breakthrough of robot assembling robot. It connects production with digital and intelligent systems and equipment, fully integrates production logistics and warehousing, and realizes digital and intelligent management, information collection, and online monitoring of each section. The number of operators in the production line has been reduced from 6 to 3, and the production efficiency has been increased by 50%. Starting from 8 scenarios including marketing and after-sales, it highly integrates SAP, SRM, MES, WMS, AGV, and CRM, realizes efficient transmission and collaboration of information flow, business flow, and logistics, and ensures efficient flow and traceable management from order demand to production delivery. It breaks through the limitations of the traditional production pattern, realizes the in-depth integration of equipment and data, with a focus on meeting the highly customized, small batch and diversified market demands, and empowers the high-quality development of the new intellectual productivity.